How to make a blank page in Google Chrome at startup. Does Google Chrome has anything similar to about blank page in E and Firefox? I did not find any suitable page mentioning this. P.S. I tried about blank, but it looked like Chrome is trying to load something before showing blank page.
Not possible without an extension. Get this one. Empty new tab page this URL. This extension will load a totally blank new tab and remove the About column blank from the location bar. Works great.
Summarizing all I found for the subject, including this thread, the simple, safe and resource-effective ways to create minimal extension, as recommended by author of New Tab Redirect here, this URL. Minimal extension. Create 2 text files. Manifest.json with contents. newtab.html with contents. Save the files in empty directory, which should not be deleted while this extension in use, e.g. directory empty new tab page in documents, and go to Chrome extensions page, Chrome column / extensions /. Check developer mode, upper right. Click load unpacked extension, and point to the directory where 2 files were saved. Developer mode now could be turned off. Now we've got absolutely blank new tab with absolutely blank URL field. Note, newtab.html could be customized in a suitable way.
Did you check Google Chrome's help forum? Start Chrome with blank page. It's true that if you go to Options and GT, Basic and GT, on Startup and GT, open the following pages and then add about blank, that Chrome starts with an empty page, but still, it doesn't achieve the previous behavior, because with these settings on the address bar it will appear about blank, and you have to delete it before, or if you configure the homepage section to use the new tab page, Chrome would start with a blank page, and with nothing on the address bar, so you could start typing immediately the link of the page you wanted to go. I know that is a small detail, but to me it makes a big difference. Try to use this extension. It can solve some of your concerns in my opinion. Speed dial.
On the first Options tab, add About column blank to the set of pages to open when you open Chrome. Change setting to On Startup column open the following pages ... Done.
This is the